Hoshwalon ka khabar. This is from the film Sarfrosh, and the song is sung by. So you already learnt the theory of music and how the scales are formed. As also a song we have already done with, which is the Ek Ajnabi. That's also from the same scale. So just small revision of the scale that we want to know from for this song. So F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Backwards F, A, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Watch out the fingerings that I used. 1, 2, 3, 4. My thumb came under to reach the C. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I could play very comfortably without looking for any other fingers. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again 4 comes over the thumb. 4, 3, 2, 1. You can play along like that with the same fingering. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could reach any amount of scales that you want to reach by using this method. We now start the song by looking at the bar number 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. So this five bars becomes the intro, how the song starts from the 6th bar. So F, E, C, A, F, finish. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that's how the song is composed. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now the voice enters on this bar number 2. F, look, change your fingering. As previously we discussed 5-finger position. So C2, C, D, E, F, G position. F, then F, E, D, C, D. Then lift your hand to A position. A, B flat. The thumb under the C for C. Then E, G, F. I have reached back to the same F. One more time. F,